Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again with the Mzansi reality TV show and namhlanje sikhuluma nge-Uncut uthando nesithembu okwama episode ke esiwabukayo ke before sibone ke season 9 wothando nesithembu. Well guys, the last episode izodlala ngolesihlanu ku episode 6 we-Uncut uthando nesithembu okwama episode abawahlanganisile nje abathi awavezwanga ku season 8 yothando nesithembu. So khumbula guys ukuthi ke kuleya season uba uMseleku wakuveza ukuthi ke uMakhumalo engathi useqala ukuba nezimpiko yabo nje ngoba esenakho konke esenezimoto. uMakhumalo guys wathenga ke imoto entsha, I think iBMW enhle. uMakhumalo wathi ke imoto layithele ngoloba uMseleku wathi uMseleku ayinika ulwandle uzoyikhokhela. Yabona nje wabona ukuthi akathokozi kahle hle bawumsele ukuthi manje sibe yazenzela izinto, but ke abafazi mangabe independent bakithi kufanele kumukele ukuthi ke angazenzela ke izinto. So indaba ilana ke guys ekutheni le statement esenziwe umsele sokuthi ke uMakhumalo ula ekhona kungenxa ukuthi uyena owamvulela iminyango. And abantu bathi ke abantu besifazane banjalo mangabe ke usumenzela izinto uyakhohlwa uyakulibala he kwathini. So guys, on the season la uMakhumalo ayenzelwa khona umembesa, abanye ke bayibuyisele lo video uMakhumalo athi mangabe ningibona ngelinye ilanga ngiphakama empilweni anokwazi ukuthi kungenxa kaMusamseleko. So in this episode ezodlala uMakhumalo uthi engiyikhona namhlanje kungenxa yethukuthuku zami. Ziyashayisana guys lezi statement, cha akakuphiki ukuthi ula ekhona ngenxa ukuthi iminyango wayivula uMseleku, kodwa ekuvulekeni kwakhe iminyango uba uMseleku wasebenza kanzima, izithukuthuku zakhe ngempela zimsizile, but akakuphiki guys ukuthi uMseleku uyena ke owamvulela iminyango. Kodwa phela ke manje kufanele akhokhele ngani manje uMseleku guys, kumele akhokhele ukuthi uMakhumalo aqhubeka abe yislima, because uyambona ukuthi usiyabona emehlweni ukuthi yabona lala ngenza unodolwe idwedwe la kahle ngoba phela sele kwaqala useason 1 uMakhumalo guys yes baba uMseleku wahamba othatha umakhelwane wakhe intokazi yakakhwela wazomganisa lapha. Futhi kuMakhumalo guys uneyinkinga zokuthi ke akabatholi ke abantwana, and angazi ukuthi kwenzekani ngendaba ye-individual because wayifuna ukwenza izindlela zothathola ingane, angazi uma wagcina inqabile noMseleku noma kwenzekani, but ke akakuphiki guys ukuthi uMseleku uyena wamvulela iminyango. Manje sekufanele manje uMakhumalo angayicelebrate impumelelo yakhe ngenxa ukuthi wavula uMseleku iminyango. Sekufanele manje abe yisilima ke manje ke silimele ingqondo ehlezela nje noMseleku engasenzi kahle guys. Hayi bo kwahleli. So nje uMakhumalo I think kule season edlule siqala ukuzwa izwi lakhe, and lento iyavela ukuthi wawuMseleku ayimphathi neze kahle. Ngeke ngabona ke ama comment abantu khona ke einkundleni zokuxhumana kukhulunywa ngayo ke le ndaba ukuthi ke uMakhumalo engazi ukuthi ke usehlakaniphile manje ugel. Uthi omunye, I love this slowness. Uthobile kwakumele abe indoda ethi abe nendoda ethi yena kodwa ke wazikhethela. Abuthi omunye, uMakhumalo iqanda lethu. I've been watching the episode here on TikTok, but lena kaMakhumalo I will watch it. That my mother, she doesn't know it yet. Okay. So guys, yeah man, kuphithene kakhulu. Angazi ukuthi kufanele sithi ke ubani right ubani wrong. Ngibona nje enye insizwa laphana ke ithe we tend not to appreciate contribution that our partners make toward our progress. It is very common. Was it when we make it, we want to tell all the glory or want to take all the glory, and I don't agree with that. I'm not saying that Mseleku made her, however ubukhona bomthombeni in her life definitely had an effect on how she is approaching life and succeeding. I have seen many people getting this wrong, both men and women. So yeah guys, iyona ke indaba ke na ke evela laphana ke ngumseleka. Abanye they both correct through uMseleku uyivulile iminyango. Uthi komunye ke nawo uthobile grab the opportunity with both hands. So ayikushubile guys, kushubile kakhulu, but ke umenzile emvulela iminyango but uThubile wayeseyayisebenzela bakithi. Singathini? That brings us to the end of this video. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.